So you have your starter kit, now what? So today we're going to unbox your starter kit, talk about each of the oils and products in here and how to use it.
All right, let's get going. So you're gonna take off the sleeve, and then when you open it up, you're going to see, first thing you see are your amazing new oils. But before you jump into your products, we want to point out this awesome book right here. So this is the Unloving Lifestyle booklet, and inside it just talks all about Young Living, our amazing seed to steel commitment, and also how to use oils, and it highlights all the different product lines that we have. So we're not just an oil company, but we have products that you can use in every aspect of your life. So this is a great tool to just get started and acquainted with Young Living.
It's also a great business tool if you want to start sharing Young Living with somebody else too.
All right,
So
let's talk about the oils.
next you have your oils, and in here it comes in this cute display case. So you can just keep it straight like this, or if you turn it around onto the back, there's actually a little bit about our seed to seal process, and you can actually Velcro it right here, and it makes this cute little display shelf like this. So it's really cute.
But you can also just lay it flat for convenience or whatever.
Yeah.
But if you're doing events, a lot of people like to display the starter kit, so we made it easy for you. All right, let's talk a little bit about each of these oils. You get 10 oils in this, and then there's 2 underneath that we'll highlight afterwards. So let's start with Peppermint Vitality.
So Peppermint Vitality is great to support healthy digestion. Add a couple drops in a capsule or a drink before or after a meal. It also may support performance during exercise, so put a drop into your drink before you go running or something like that. It's also great to bake with.
Yes.
Flavor anything with.
Perfect. All right, next you have Digest Vitality, and this oil is perfect for supporting and cleansing the digestive system. So again, put this in a capsule and take it before large meals or frequently in between meals, whatever you prefer. And you can also flavor your water with it, but most commonly it's used in a capsule.
And one thing we didn't mention is the difference between the Vitality oils and our regular oils. But the difference is Vitality oils have a white label, and they are just labeled specifically for internal use. It's the same pure oil as the topical aromatic counterpart. This is just what we recommend using when you're sharing and talking about internal uses with others. So next, let's talk about lemon. Lemon has antioxidant properties, it supports the immune system, and it's cleansing. So enjoy its benefits by adding a couple drops to a capsule, a smoothie, baking with it, anything like that.
All right, next up we have Citrus Fresh Vitality, and this is a blend of many different citrus oils. It smells amazing, but for the Vitality version, you're going to be using it internally. So we like flavoring our food with it or putting it in a water smoothie because you access all those amazing antioxidant and cleansing properties.
Next is Thieves Essential Oil, one of my favorites. I use this the most. It's great at supporting a healthy immune system. It also promotes wellness and has antioxidant properties. I love taking this with a drop of Oregano Vitality, Thieves Vitality in a capsule, or mixing Thieves Vitality with Ningxia Red and taking that as needed to support a healthy immune system.
All right, now let's move down here. So we have frankincense. Frankincense is one of our most popular and beloved oils. It is very centering and grounding, spiritually, very calming, and it also can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles when used topically. So you can add this into your beauty routine at night or in the morning, and it's just great to diffuse as well. So diffuse it around your home to really create a grounding and calm environment.
Next is Raven. Raven is very cooling and it's very soothing. It's great to use as a part of a chest rub, so maybe mix it with coconut oil or carrier oil, rub it on your chest as needed for that cooling, soothing sensation.
Next up we have lavender. Now everyone loves lavender. Lavender is amazing to reduce occasional stress or anxious feelings. It provides a very calming and soothing aroma, and it's great for skin support. So you can add this one into your skin routine as well.
It's one of the most versatile essential oils. I love lavender. Next is Valor. Valor is a very powerful, empowering essential oil blend. It's really popular to help instill feelings of positivity and courage. So apply it before big presentations, maybe new activities, maybe before your kids go to their first day of school or something new. It really just helps inspire feelings of courage and strength.
And then lastly, we have Panaway, and Panaway is great for post-exercise. So rub it on fatigued muscles, has a cooling sensation. So it feels really good on muscles that you've been working out or that are fatigued.
So after these oils, we also have a few more oils in the kit. It just keeps going.
Gets better.
It gets better. So inside your kit, you want to actually open this up, and you have even more products. So we also have Stress Away Essential Oil in here. Stress Away Essential Oil has a very relaxing, calming aroma. It can help ease your mind, calm your worries, balance your mind and your body. It has like a mixture of lime, copaiba, lavender,
And vanilla.
Vanilla. It has a very tropical, almost like it's like a vacation in a bottle.
Yes, it is.
Yep.
All right, next up under here you have Peace and Calming. And this oil is great for children bedtime routines. So it promotes peace and calm, sense of calmness, and it helps to just calm chaos. So diffuse this around your home, apply topically on the bottom of your feet. And you can also apply in the kit, you get these little roller fitments.
You get 2 of them.
Yep, you get 2 of them, and you can apply them on any of the bottles that you want to have easy access for topical application.
You just pop the top off, the orifice off, pop the roller on, and it's an instant roller ball.
Yep.
So next, we over here, we have 2 of our Thieves products. We have the Thieves Purifier, and we have the Thieves Spray. These are a part of our Thieves personal care and cleaning line, which are all infused with Thieves essential oil. They're great cleaning products that don't use harsh chemicals. The spray is great for steering wheels, for kids' toys, doorknobs when you're traveling, hotel rooms. You just spray, and it's that instant purification without the harsh chemicals.
Yes.
I love the hand purifier because that's great for hands on the go. Little hands on the go helps purify and cleanse your hands with the power of Thieves essential oil.
I keep it in my diaper bag.
Me too.
All right, next up we have Ningxia Red. Now this is one of our most popular oil-infused products. So what is it? You drink 2 ounces a day. It's infused with the Ningxia wolfberry. It has amazing antioxidant properties, and it supports overall wellness. So you drink 2 ounces a day, and in the packet, or in the premium starter kit, you get a few samples so you can see and feel the energizing and revitalizing experience with Ningxia Red.
You take those for 30 days straight and you will see a difference.
Yes, definitely.
So tag a friend who has a starter kit coming or who should get a starter kit because you get the most bang for your buck with the starter kit. You get 12 essential oils, Ningxia, Thieves, these booklets for such a good deal. So, I mean, at a fraction of the cost if you would have buy all these products individually. So this is a great deal.
Yeah, tag someone below and let us know if you have comments or questions, and we'll be around. Thank you.